Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to restore archived post on Instagram. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So as you can see right now, I'm in my Instagram profile, and now let's see how to archive post. So I'm going to opening a post and tapping on this three dot and tapping on archive. So the post has been archived. And now let's see how to unarchive the post. So for that, open your Instagram profile and tap on this three line icon to the right hand corner and tap on archive and tap on stories archive, and from here select post archive, and from here open the post you want to unarchive and tap on this three dot icon and tap on show on profile. And that's how you can unarchive post on Instagram. So if this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.